I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking.
So if you happen to have one of these phones and you're running out of space and you have a need to do a factory reset, I'm going to show you how to do just that. You want to navigate to settings, you can find it here, or you can scroll on at the top and you can see the setting icon here. You can then choose any option to enter settings. When you're in setting, you want to scroll down until you see backup and reset. Then what you want to do here, you want to go here to factory data reset. But before doing so, you want to ensure that you remove your Google account from this phone. So you will need to go here by accounts and you will need to remove your Gmail account from the phone, as it can ask for it when you reset the device. So let's go ahead and hit factory data reset now. Erase everything. Ensure when you are doing this that your battery is above at least 30%. All you have to do here is just wait it out and make sure to leave your battery in and don't panic here. At times it may take a minute or two or so, so just wait it out. The phone will boot up and ready to use. So you can see that the phone is ready to use now, so we can go ahead and set up the phone. We can add Wi-Fi to the phone, we can set the date, we can enter the first and last name. We can also add a screen lock password. So the phone is now ready to use and we got this welcome message. I'm actually going to show you as well how we can do a hard reset with this device. To do a hard reset, you will need to turn off your phone. You can unplug the battery if your phone is in an unsuitable condition. You want to hold the volume up button and the power button. Release the power button now, keep holding the volume up. So now you will see no command on the screen. I just want you to just wait it out and then you can hit the power button once and you can see this menu screen here. We have a lot of options here. You will want to look for wipe data factory reset. So we are going to do that right now. What you want to do, you want to hit the power button to select. Depending on your device, it can be the volume up, but you can hit it to select. Then you can select yes, delete all user data here. So the phone will now format everything and wipe everything successfully, and you can now go ahead and reboot your system. So I hope that this video was helpful to you guys who are using these sort of phones. My name is Lens. If you're new here on my channel, subscribe. I'm out.